Hi, I'm Evelyn and I'm building my own tiny house. Hi, here starts my adventure of building my own home. Now I must say that I actually don't have building experience, but I'm eager to learn, and I have at least 5 people with various backgrounds that are really handy that I can ask advice from, and a helping hand here and there if needed. So this whole adventure actually started with my best friend asking me, again, if I didn't want to take over his old tea container to build a tiny house from. And this time I thought I was ready. Let's have a look. And here it stands, forlorn in the field. Welcome home. Although at the moment it has more the feeling of a haunted place, to be honest. And these trees that have grown here very opportunistically will have to be cut down before it can even be moved. Talking about moving, this is where it's all going to happen. And I really love those stones, but the guys that help me move think they are in the way. So let's remove them. My neighbors-to-be, the chickens, are really pleased with me already. And while that heap of stone is almost gone, there is also a lovely but enormous plant standing about where my sitting room will be. So let's give it a new home. This is the end result of today. This is where it will all be happening. So this was just the very first site preparation, just clear the space. At this point, I don't know how it's going to be moved, I don't know where it's going to stand on, and I don't even know for sure how it's going to stand. But next video, my house hits the road. Evie and Lynn. And actually, we are the actual builders of this tiny house. Yeah. Hey, doesn't that make us the actual makers of this video too? Yeah, you could say that. So we can say whatever we want. Well, I've got an idea. Ooh. If you didn't like this video, don't like it. And if you can wait to see the next one, don't hit that notification bell icon thingy. And if you don't want to see how this adventure proceeds, don't subscribe. Also, if you have nothing nice to say, don't say it in the comment section. But if you do want to help us, do like us. The video. Subscribe and let us know what we can do better. See you in the next video. Bye!